Just before we get started today, I just want to answer a question really quickly. I got a comment on a video asking me how I get the trailer when it's finished out of the garden, and the answer to that question is I don't know, but there's always a way of doing something, so I will get out. So today we're going to fiberglass the whole roof and try and get it all watertight. So it's quite a big day for me. I'm quite excited doing this. Quick tip before we start mixing: each batch of resin you mix, use a clean stirrer. Don't use the same one to do each mix because it contaminates each one. So we're going to mix 1 kilo of resin, and it's about 10 degrees today, so we're going to put about 30 millilitres of hardener in and see how that goes. If it goes off too quick, we'll adjust. I'm just going to use the consolidating roller now just to flatten it out. With that 30 millilitres in then, it just started going off towards end it. So I just got them bandages on very quickly. So now all the bandaging is done. We're just going to start by putting these on, keeping them straight, and just working them into the box gutter and working from the outside, the lowest point of the roof, back to the highest point. So I've just noticed here we're getting quite a few like little air bubbles, so I'm just going to have to try and work them out, these. It's like where it's stretching. So what I'm going to do now is just divide up how much resin I've got left into these tubs, ready to be able to do continual mixes, because once you start them big sheets it takes quite a bit of resin. So we've got 7 buckets and there's possibly one more left in there, so it's 8 in total. I'll just fingers crossed there's enough. So just looking at these here, there's a couple of little air bubbles I'm just going to try and get out. I think we're about all done there now. Fingers crossed it dries before it rains tonight.